Hello, and welcome to our Roadside 911 website. First, I have to inform you that Roadside 911 is a marketing apparatus for a phenomenal service company that offers a service that most people need and just haven't heard of yet. We have teamed up with Motor Clubs of America, a company that has been in business since 1926 and have a B rating with the Better Business Bureau, doing business in the U.S. and in Canada. If you are presently using AAA for your roadside assistance service, you have to see what happened to this young lady who was stuck on the freeway with her 3 children.
Your membership expires May 17th.
So what can I do? I'm stuck on the freeway with my 3 children. Can I renew right now?
Not for today. If you upgrade today, it will be effective 7 days from today.
I'm about 60 miles away from my house. How far will you tow me?
Yes, you have 3 miles of towing each time within your 4 service calls.
So how much more would it cost me to get my car towed off of the freeway today with my 3 children?
Okay, so you're in Texas. It will be $70, and then that would allow you to receive 3 miles of towing. And then the driver will collect payment for each mile or portion of a mile after that.
She was 57 miles away from home with 3 children stuck on the freeway, so she had no other choice but to pay their excessive fees. 57 miles less 3 free miles equals 54 miles times $3 per mile, which is a total of $162 plus the $70 additional upgrade fee, for a grand total of $232 just to take her home. But she had to pay an additional $75 to get the car to the shop the next day. Needless to say, she's not a AAA customer anymore. Now, this is a company that has millions of people who rely on them for their roadside assistance service. And others use roadside assistance through their insurance company. So if you're using your insurance company for your roadside assistance, this is something that you have to see. Now, I know some of you are thinking that you have roadside assistance with your insurance company. Well, look at what I found here on the web. Before you buy roadside assistance, however, consider some of the potential drawbacks. Increased premiums. Some auto insurance companies may view your use of roadside assistance negatively, which in turn could affect your premium just as a ticket or an accident would. According to consumerreports.org, your insured keeps track on how much you are using roadside assistance. Frequently calls for help shows you're riskier, therefore more expensive to insure. So isn't it time for emergency roadside assistance company to offer their customers complete emergency roadside assistance coverage without all the hidden tricks of costing them more when they really need them the most or increasing their insurance rates? Well, it's finally here. We offer complete emergency roadside assistance coverage with no gimmicks. And what makes us different? All roadside assistance companies will unlock your doors, bring you gas, tow your car, and boost you if you need one. This is a given. We too offer our members these basic services and a whole lot more. For example, will your roadside company give you unlimited usage to cover you anywhere you are in the U.S. and in Canada? We will. Will your roadside company cover any car that you drive? We will. Will your roadside company tow you to the shop of your choice and take you home as long as it's within 100 miles without charging you more? We will. If you haven't noticed, police municipalities are writing more tickets than ever these days. And if you get caught up in one of those fraudulent ticket writing campaigns and you fight back, it could cost you a lot of time off your job and a lot of money. So most people just pay the ticket. But when you pay that bogus ticket, it could cost you hundreds of dollars, and it could cause your insurance premiums to be increased. Will your roadside company offer you up to $200 for an attorney fee to fight those tickets to protect your license and save you time off your work and save you money? We will. Will your roadside company offer you a check for $500 if you are involved in a car wreck that you have to go to the emergency room? We will. We will give you this check even if you fall at home, at work, out of town, around the corner, out of state. This check is written directly to you for any inconveniences you may incur for going to the emergency room. Will your roadside company pay you up to $500 if you are injured in a car wreck? We will. Will your roadside company pay you up to $500 for your vehicle damages that you could use for your deductible? We will. Will your roadside company offer you up to $54,750 in daily hospital benefits to cover any covered accident that caused you to be hospitalized? We will. Now, I'm not sure if you are aware of this, but most states have passed legislation to give police officers the discretion to either write you a traffic citation or take you to jail for something as simple as a traffic violation, even if it's something as simple as a brake light that's out. This is called new traffic. Will your roadside company offer you up to $500 in an arrest bond certificate that gets you out of jail right away if this would happen to you? We will. Sometimes we can have serious automobile accidents, and because of the way the laws are written, some states may charge you with vehicle or manslaughter or negligent homicide. In this event, will your roadside company offer you up to a $25,000 bail bond to release you from jail right away? We will. Now, if you are arrested in this type of accident, you will probably need an attorney. So will your roadside company offer you up to $2,000 to pay your attorney fees? We will. Now I have to elaborate on this next benefit for a moment. Most people never think about dying in a car crash. Here's an article from the web that indicates that over 40,000 people die in a car crash every year. And God forbid this would happen to any one of our members, but in this type of accident will happen, and there's no way to prevent people from driving drunk. But if any one of our members are accidentally killed in a car crash, will your roadside company give your family up to $50,000 in accidental death coverage? We will. Will your roadside company offer you a travel assistance program with medical consultation, care for minors, prescription assistance, medical repatriation, which returns a person back to one's origin or citizenship, return of mortal remains, emergency evacuation, hospital admission guarantee, legal referrals, and medical evaluation? We will. But I have to show you an example of emergency evacuation service. One of our favorite phrases is, it's better to have all of these services and not need them than to need them and not have them. Here's a gentleman who used medical evacuation service, which saved his family a ton of money.
It was a flight that could have cost them tens of thousands of dollars. Instead, Daniel and Bernice Barrow of Mount Airy paid $36 for a medevac flight from Las Vegas to Northeast Philadelphia Airport.
Right now he can't walk on his own. He's been in the bed since he's been in the hospital.
Their ordeal began on September 13th. That's when Daniel became ill and was hospitalized with kidney failure. And what should have been a 2-week vacation turned into 3 weeks in a Vegas hospital. Doctors said Barrow could not take a commercial flight. Their only choice was a medical flight, but the cost was through the roof.
Anywhere between $16,000 and $20,000. So then we went dollars, exactly.
A family friend reminded them that they had signed up 2 months ago with Motor Club of America, which is a type of insurance policy. The $18 a month premium covered the cost of the medical flight from Las Vegas.
I'm just thanking God for the blessing.
And what do you think this family would have done without this service? But I'm not finished yet. We also give our members discounts on prescriptions, up to 60% off of generic prescriptions and 25% off of name brand. Discount on vision, up to 60% off of vision care products and 15% off of ophthalmology services such as LASIK surgery. Discount on dental, up to 50% off of most general fees. And again, will yours? And I think we all know the answer to this question. We will. We also tow RVs, motorcycles, boats, livestock trailers, and even dually pickup trucks. Now, if you travel out of town and get into a car accident, will your roadside company offer to pay you up to $500 for meals, lodging, and transportation? We will. You can receive these benefits and much, much more starting at only $19.95 per month, and that's only about $5 per week. Now, are you thinking what I was thinking when I first saw MCA for what they offer for such a nominal price? And that is, everyone I know will purchase this membership, and is there a way for me to get paid to tell everyone about it? Then I found one of the biggest differences with MCA, and that is they will pay you for referrals. Just for having one of their membership plans, you will receive a website just like this one where you're able to send everyone to purchase a membership, and each time someone does, you receive an $80 referral fee. There's nothing that you have to join, and even if you don't purchase a membership, you can still receive all of this for free and earn the same referral fee. As a matter of fact, you can earn over $100,000 per year in your spare time just for sending people to your website that we supply to you. Click on the Make Money button to see how you're able to receive all these benefits for free and get paid for having them. There's no meetings, conference calls, webinars, three-way calls, no products that you have to store in your garage, and there's no recruiting, so you don't have to worry about joining the NFL club. So the question that most of you are probably asking at this point, does MCA work just as well as the other roadside assistance companies? Well, first, understand that MCA has been in business since 1926 with over 7 million satisfied customers. And while we was putting the system together, my assistant's vehicle stopped on her on the side of the road, so this gave us the opportunity to put MCA to the test. So we took the cameras to the locations to show you what happened. She called MCA around 8:45 a.m. and they called her back at 8:55 to tell her how long it would take her for the wrecker to get there, which was about 30 to 45 minutes. And 5 minutes before the wrecker came, MCA called her again to check to see if she was okay. It took the wrecker driver 45 minutes to arrive. During the time she was out of her car, somehow she locked her keys in her car. So when the wrecker driver got there, he had to first unlock the doors, then he had to check to see if the car would start, and it didn't, so he tried to boost it. Then he towed the car to the shop of her choice. Now, that's 3 different services that she used at one time. I wonder if AAA would have counted these as 3 different services. So, if you want complete roadside assistance protection, click on the membership plan of your choice. Would you agree with me that it's better to have all these benefits and not need them than to need them and not have them? Like your insurance company, you have it and you just hope you never have to use it. Contact your roadside assistance company and have them stop charging you for their inferior service. If you own an auto repair shop, a body shop, a muffler shop, or a tire shop, just take one of our display stands and place it on your counter, and each time someone checks out, give them your brochure with their receipt. And once they see what we have to offer, the smart people will visit your site on the back of your brochure and purchase a membership, and you get paid $80 for each sale, over and over again from the same customers that you already have. If you sell insurance, you're speaking to the people who are proactive, and this is a perfect fit. Just give all of your customers your brochure again. They will go to your site, purchase a membership, and you get paid the same way. Then contact all the customers that's in your database and offer them a complete roadside assistance coverage. If you sell cars, this is another perfect match. Just give all of your customers a brochure and even earn more from selling that same car. And you too contact all of your customers from your database. That's right, you can earn residual income just for referring people to a website just like this one that we supply to you. Does this make sense? Now, this is our best kept secret. This is the most proficient program to raise funds for a 501c3, like a church. We'll give you an affiliate site for free, and each time one of your donors purchases a membership, you'll receive an $80 donation. And when those people like what they have, do you think they'll tell their friends about it, which will raise you even more money? Please understand, this is the best roadside service